Do darker color pool liners equal free heat in your swimming pool? I actually have some anecdotal evidence to support this. I once did a set of liners for two neighbors, and these neighbors had pools that were the same size and the same shape, and they had been built at the same time by the same builder, and they both came due for liners at the same time. These two owners, one picked a very dark blue color, the other picked a very light color, almost white in color. And it was interesting to note because neither of these pools use a heater. They both had the same amount of sun. So it's rare that you get a situation like this where you really have a comparable like this. And what I was able to determine that during peak summer season with the most amount of overhead sun, the darker print pool was 7 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the lighter print pool. And they didn't have a difference in terms of the amount of trees around the pool or anything like that. They both had no coverage whatsoever, and they both had an exactly equal amount of sun, and it really was a perfect situation for comparison. And while this is only anecdotal evidence, which is not as good as empirical evidence or some actual science to go behind this, I can tell you that I've personally experienced a situation where a darker print pool was able to achieve more warmth than a lighter print pool in basically the exact same situation. And for me, that's a slam dunk. I mean, lighter or darker, they both look good in the pool. It can be a little bit, challenging when you're choosing a new pool liner because you're committing to this liner that's going to be in your pool for the next 10 or 20 years. I usually say go with the darker print liners because it's printed on dark stock, which means that it doesn't show scratches or wear or the patterns wearing off in the same way that liners printed on white or light colored stock do. But more than that, I've always thought that because of this anecdotal evidence that I have, that I do believe you will have a warmer pool if you choose a darker print liner. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.